Here at Park, we are proud to be a state tournament sponsor and an enthusiastic supporter of VEX Robotics.
For those who are unfamiliar, VEX Robotics is the fastest growing robotics program for elementary, middle, and high school students in the entire world, providing them hands-on education and team competitions.
That teaches them STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, skills and principles, in a fun and engaging kind of way.
Beyond STEM principles, VEX Robotics also encourages teamwork, leadership, and problem solving among groups in a team environment. Here in Minnesota, VEX Robotics is exploding. It's grown from 22 teams when the program began to well over 500 teams with thousands of local students being engaged, something we are very happy to see.
As a leading manufacturer in central Minnesota, Park Industries employs people across a wide variety of STEM-related careers. We see VEX Robotics as a great way that we can get kids involved with STEM in an early, fun, positive way and get them exposure to the high-tech, exciting world of manufacturing.
We cherish these opportunities for students to get a glimpse of this exciting world and the amazing, talented people that are in it.
VEX Robotics brings together business, educational institutions, and community groups, giving kids an opportunity to learn, to create, and to be a part of something bigger than themselves. In short, VEX Robotics builds futures.
Park Industries is proud to support VEX Robotics and the future leaders of manufacturing. Good luck to all the teams.